Make a great choice today with the 2009 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, home-link garage door opener, anti-theft security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, center armrest, auto headlight on-off, FWD, 60/40 split rear bench seat, security package, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.